Hello, I'm Erin Courtney. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, so today I'm doing prep and packaging for your freezer meals. First of all, this is something that I have to do. I'll go crazy if I don't do this. I gotta make sure all my dishes are clean that I'm gonna be using. So before I even go to the store, declutter the fridge and freezer, make sure the counters are cleaned off, and the dishes that you're gonna use are clean, so you're not scrambling to clean 8 different dishes before you can even use them. Okay, so some of these meals, everything that you can make here can be stored in the fridge for up to 7 days or in the freezer for up to 3 months. That's the general rule of thumb. I definitely don't play with the 7 days in the refrigerator because that was what, when in doubt, throw it out. That was one of the first rules of thumb I learned in culinary school. So, all the dishes that I'm going to be showing you are very simple. Every day, 9x13 casserole dish. You can use your glass dish, cover it with plastic wrap, keep it in the fridge or pop it in the freezer, just make sure you date it. Or you can use a foil container so that you don't have to clean anything up later. And you can get this at the store, you can get the smaller ones online in bulk. They're a lot cheaper in bulk, let me tell you. I learned the hard way. Now, when it comes to soups and sauces, there are so many options here. You've got all these different sizes. You've got, what is this, cup, pint, quart. They all have lids, they all freeze well. Just remember, whenever you're putting sauces and soups in here, don't fill it up to the rim if you're gonna freeze it because it expands and then you're gonna have a big old mess in your freezer and then you're gonna have to clean it and declutter it. I mean, come on. Also, ball jars. What is this, ball jars? Yes, these are wide mouthed. I like the screw tops, the plastic screw tops. Those are my personal favorite. You have quart and pint. You can get these online. Very easy to find. I got mine from Amazon because you can buy everything on Amazon. Everything. Now when it comes to baked goods like pancakes and muffins and things like that, Ziploc, freezer bags. These are great, and I will individually wrap pancakes and muffins and things like that in plastic wrap before I put them in here, because if you stick them all in there, they're going to stick together and you're not going to be able to pull them apart. Or if you do pull them apart, they're just going to fall apart. Then they're not going to be pretty. Also, if you have the vacuum sealing bags, my sister-in-law has them. I don't have that yet. I haven't gotten it yet. I want to get it, but I haven't gotten it. Those are amazing. Just make sure, label everything, what it is and the date, because if you don't know what it is and you don't know when you put it in there, it's probably not safe to eat, especially if it's got green stuff growing on it. That's not good either. So that's it. This is packaging and prep. Of course, with all the videos that I'm going to show you, I'll let you know exactly what to store everything in, depending on the recipe, because some recipes will be smaller, larger. It'll depend. I'll keep you updated. I'll keep you in the loop. So, welcome to my kitchen. I'll see you on the tube.